Hi, Les Chatterley here with Sinful Saucings. Today's program is brought to you by Catalyst Brewing, Days and Nights German Pilsner. That's a fine Pilsner. And on Sinful Saucings today, we will be tasting the Intense Hot Sauce Arizona Bar. Yeah, just the right amount of spice there. Excellent. I think that might pair nicely with perhaps my fruit cup here. Oh yeah, that's gonna do it. Yeah. Spicy, sweet, that's where it's at. Excellent. Great. For the next sauce today, I look forward to Intense Hot Sauce Pure Cayenne. A little spicier, deeper profile. Looking forward to that one. Much spicier, different flavor profile. Excellent. Excellent. That's going to pair nicely with one of my all-time favorites, an ice cream sandwich. I think you'll be surprised at where you can go with this, and I'd like to try it out today. Yeah. It's the dairy that does it. You'd be surprised. Excellent. Well, that's great. Catalyst German Pilsner. Okay, the Days and Nights, and I'm Les Chatterley, and thanks for joining our program today.